Optus Ultra Wi-Fi Modem Gen 2 setup. First, connect the modem. Connect the supplied cable from your NBN connection point to the WAN port on the modem. Plug in the power adapter, press the power button, and then wait 5 to 10 minutes for the modem to start up. The internet light should turn solid green when connected. Step 2. Connect your device. Connect your phone, tablet, or computer by selecting the Wi-Fi network, which is the SSID printed on the sticker underneath the modem, and then entering the Wi-Fi password also printed on the same sticker. You can also connect using an Ethernet cable for a wired connection. Third, wait for activation. After setup, wait for the internet LED to become solid. If you're setting up a new Optus NBN service, your internet may not work until your scheduled activation date. And then fourth, test your internet. Open a web browser and visit any website. If pages load, your modem is ready to use. If the internet light doesn't turn on after 10 minutes, check all cables, restart the modem, and confirm your Optus service has been activated. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.